Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this is the fourth video in the cover category. So this is a cover for less than 100 rupees again. Now I've been searching for different kind of covers which will fit the iPhone 10 and which are not too expensive. So in the market the covers are too expensive. So let's see how these are going to fit and how does it look like. So okay, so that's how this one will look like. It's a little weird though. Maybe the white one will look much better. This is, I mean, I can see different shades of black now. This is a different shade, this is a different shade. Now the good thing about this cover is the sides are thicker than regular covers, so that if it falls, you will get some protection. You do have I mean, you have this hole over here where you can put in a strap in case you're one of those who keep dropping your phone, so you can keep the strap. So that'll be handy. So let's put the red one. Maybe the red one might look better. Okay, so I think this will suit the white one better than the black one. It's okay, but it looks a little funny. So I'm not a big fan of this one, even though the protection is good. Let me just see the mesh. Okay, so it's got a mesh at the bottom and a cutout here and a cutout for the notification slider. So some people like the mesh style better. Some people like the cutout style better. One more thing, this does cover the camera. All the covers that I've shown, they all cover the camera and does not allow the camera to touch the ground. So if you look like that, you can't see the camera protruding out. So that's good. So if you keep it down like this on a flat surface, this camera is not going to touch the ground. So that'll help you in keeping the camera lens safe, the camera glass safe. So all in all, good. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.